What is that, Cooper? Okay, you drive out from under. You gotta drive out from under. All right. Okay, ready? Go.
So if Bear for his 16th birthday, he probably want a boat before a call.
Perfect.
Now I need to go back and get some more fish.
Hold on, dude. Look at me. Smile. Look at me. That worked good. Okay, launch it away. Now drive away. Drive away here. Slow. All right. Okay. Woo-hoo, almost made overboard. There you? All right. You like the sparkles like Papa's boat?
Yep.
It's got a little bee on it. See that? Just like Papa's boat.
Yeah, you have big bee, and I have a little bee.
Uh-huh. Then you have fishes on the sides. See that? Look over here. There's fish in the back too. See here? There's fish back there.
And there. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
What's down there? What's all that down there in the bottom of your boat already?
Fishing pole, a net, and the baits.
That's the baits?
Yeah, another bait in the frog.
Oh, and then you got your fishing pole and your net.
And baits. The super bait, the swimming baits, and the frog.
That's the swimming baits and a frog.
Yep. No, I'm the rumbling your net.
You're the real man and Papa's the net man?
Yeah.
All right.
And how old are you?
3.
3.
Yep.
And you already got your own boat.
That's my own boat. I'm gonna put the treasure on the boat. Go to another water to see another boat. When it goes, when
He jumped in the lake.
no, I didn't. I jumped on the bridge.
Oh, okay.